Personal na sinaksihan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang ceremonial acceptance, turnover at blessing ng bagong C-295 medium-lift aircraft ng Philippine Air Force sa Mabalacat City, Pampanga, Martes, March 7. Nagkaroon din ng capability demonstration flight ang FA-50PH ng PAF. Sa kanyang talumpati, binati ng Pangulo ang Philippine Air Force para sa bagong air asset. Pangatlo na umano ito sa mga C-295 aircraft na nabili ng PAF simula noong nakaraang taon. Nagpasalamat din siya sa pamahalaan ng Espanya dahil sa pagtulong umano nila sa akwisisyon ng bagong eroplano. Dagdag pa ni Marcos, makatutulong ang naturong aircraft sa pagpapatrol ng mga tropa ng Philippine Air Force sa himpapawid na sakop ng ating mga karagatan.
Our country's archipelagic nature and geostrategic location is both a blessing and a challenge. As much as our maritime environment provides us with much needed resources, it also requires us to constantly adapt to become more mobile and agile. To this end, our FA-50 fighter jets shall improve our maritime patrol capability, aid our Air Force in monitoring the developments within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, and provide close air support to our combat troops.
Ayon pa sa Pangulo, maaari rin umano itong magamit sa panahon ng mga kalamidad at sakuna.
The country is also challenged by various climate-related hazards, which can potentially paralyze government and business operations. In these moments, the AFP is called on to do more. Through the additional C-295 aircraft, the AFP will be able to provide more responsive support to government agencies, especially in emergency situations, and on humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations.
Sa kabila ng mga bagong kagamitan, kinilala raw ni Marcos Jr. na mayroon pa ring pangangailangan na i-modernize ang asset ng ating puwersang militar upang maprotektahan ang ating teritoryo.
There is still a need to further improve our capabilities to effectively cover our territory. Equally important is to ensure the airworthiness of Air Force assets and the corresponding training of crew and personnel to guarantee the safety of all. Hence, it is this administration's will to remain steadfast in pursuing our modernization efforts.
Ako po si Marco Galang from CLTV36 News. Atin to.